welcome to my channel. I'm Portia, your host, and today is a beautiful day. Let me show you. Look at that. The sun is shining, the sun is out. We're gonna get the light in. Oh my gosh.
Get ready to turn up the volume.
In the darkest night, when I lose my way, you are the light that guides me every day. When the world feels heavy and I'm on my knees, your love surrounds me, brings me to peace. You lift me up when I fall down. In your grace I am found. No fear can hold me, I am free, because you live inside of me.
Good morning, beautiful people. Today is a special day. So we're going to a special place, and I want you to guess where we're going. Join us on this journey. I'm really looking forward to it. It's a long one, but you're going to enjoy it too. On the 401 and we're heading east. Yeah.
The highway 401 to take you from one point to Canada to the other point.
Look at this road. Nice, isn't it? But we're going all the way to the top and onward. Those are hay that they roll up for the animal, like the horses. Today is my Earth Strong, and we are going on a trip to spend the weekend. Yeah, so hope you'll join us as we embark on this special moment. I'm not going to tell you my age, but I have been on this planet for a very long time. Thank you. The sun is pretty strong. How do I look in my shades? Oh, I look good. So I've been on this planet for a very long time, and I've learned so much. I'm still growing, still evolving. You know, there's so much that life offers. I love life. I'm very positive, even in situations that looks very slim. You know, there doesn't seem to be a way out. I always think positive, that God is going to work it out. So I have that mindset. You know, I try to treat everybody with love and respect. I think respect really goes a far way. I think my greatest achievement in life is still being a follower of Jesus Christ, having a relationship with God. It has really kept me grounded, focused. Let's continue this journey together. That seems to be a corn. Yes, corn. Cornfield. Belleville, I think that's the pronunciation, has 56,000 population in this community. Oh, that's full of vehicles.
So this is the longest highway in Canada, 401. This is the second largest country in the world. So this highway takes you from point A to point B.
Oh, Belleville. First Nation territory. I think their population is 2,600 if I saw correctly.
Let your light shine so bright. In the darkness be the light. Let your love show His might.
We could drive from Nickel to downtown already, of course.
Look at this. Oh, this is a double tanker. A lot of farmland is out this side.
I love the city, Kingston. They have to feed their people.
Of course.
Say, when it's summertime, you can drive across this country. It's beautiful to drive across. For a good day to travel, it's not too hot. It's 8:25 in the morning.
So this is Kingston. We are at 300 subscribers. Ooh, yeah! Thank you so much. What a wonderful birthday gift. 300 subscribers. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for, commenting and liking my videos, and thank you for watching my ads. I really appreciate everything. So big up yourself once more. Blessings from the Almighty God. I thank you one and all. Thank you viewers, thank you subscribers, thank you. Much love and respect. Mwah. Kingston downtown, and here we have the pow pow. All right. Keeping the order.
Slow down.
Traffic in the other direction. Look at the amount of trucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. My goodness, 43. You can imagine the amount we passed already. Here comes another one. 43, 44. Huh? I bet you said before we finish this stretch of road, we'll get 50. I tell you, truckers is no joking business right here. As 44, 45. reach too far for that one. 49, 40, 50. So many trucks because this is a major highway that lead from anywhere in Canada. Anywhere in Canada you want to go, this is a major highway that can lead you there. We're going up a hill now. Alright, we're going downhill now. Look at that overhead bridge.
You see how they dig out the road?
Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
There's a big rock
Yes.
right here.
Yes.
And they bust it in two
Alright.
and make a...
Oh my gosh, that scenery is beautiful. Let's take it from this angle. Wow.
It's a crop over there, you know, like a pond or something. It's a swampland.
Yes, it is.
But they grow a crop there.
Wow. Really nice scenery. Look at this double tanker. Alright, that they're pushing it. Yeah, look at the body of water. Yeah.
We've been on the road from 6 and now it's 8:45. Still on the road.
Yeah.
We're still driving.
We have some way to go.
We know we're really half our destination.
Yep. Smiths Fall, Ottawa. So you go that way. You go on that side. We continue.
They literally cut the rock to go through. So half of the rock over here.
Guys, over there is the highway going back, and we are here. So the road has split. As you can see, right over there is the other side of the highway, and we are on this side. Yes, it has split. And usually in this little section is a lot of flowers.
RV, if you want to buy RV.
Okay,
People who want to go camping.
Yes.
It's an RV outlet.
alright. Nice, different shape, different size.
Yeah.
Alright. This, look at that. So this is where they inspect all the trucks to make sure that they have the right weight and height and so forth. Right down there. So you see a lot of trucks lined up. They have to pass through that inspection area. Even this one that you're seeing right here, it just came from there. So it's good to go. Yeah.
If you're not good to go, you're not going anywhere.
You're not going, you have to turn back.
I get a fine. Right, so. Oh, yeah. They have a login book where they log in all their information, travel on the route, so all depends on your distance. So when they get to those inspection sites, they have to look at it and see.
Look at the split right here. That side, this side. And look at this rock. We have trees in between. So we cannot see the other side of the road. And we have some swamp land. Oh, there, we can see that side. See the stone? Look, it goes all the way up there in some areas. can now see the other side of the road. Yeah, we can see the trucks and the cars. Lanchester, Alexandria, Raisin River. And you have different stops along the way to refresh yourself. We did. And we got gas. Yes. Hey, Andy.
Not me.
Yes, it's a truck.